Ladies and gentlemen, we right back at you again. Your friendly chef in your neighborhood. Alright? You know how we do. Today, we're gonna make some Asian inspired dishes. We're gonna do some Thai lettuce wraps. And then we're also gonna do some spring rolls, some veggie spring rolls. You know, that's how we're gonna get down today. I got 3 kinds of cabbage here soaking. We got some napa, some savoy, and some bok choy. And then we're gonna do some, our lettuce wraps are gonna have ground turkey in it. You could do them vegan style, you could do it with chicken, or whatever have you. But we're gonna do ours turkey style today. And right now I'm sipping on this good mojito, so you just gotta bear with me. Maybe later on we'll share these recipes with you too. You know, keep your eye out for the mixology. Alright? So we're about to get started. We're getting up our cabbage cut up, our savoy, and then we're gonna do our napa and our bok choy. You see I already got some cut already. And we're using our trusty salad spinner like I told y'all before. Get some of that water out. Cabbage is gonna cook down, so it might look like a lot, but it won't be. Let's do some napa. Some bok choy. While our cabbage is draining, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our ground turkey. Alright, we're gonna go with a little black pepper. Always gotta go with black pepper. We're gonna go with a little bit of sea salt, just a little bit. We're gonna go with some garlic. And we're gonna go with some ground ginger. Ginger root. Just a little bit. This is cilantro. Saw that? That was nice. Basil. And some green onion. We're gonna mix that up, get it all incorporated, and then we're gonna throw it in our skillet and brown it with some sesame oil. Get our sesame oil in the pan, heat that up. You can smell that. Sesame oil smells crazy. Nice toasted flavor. I think we good to go. Awesome. You see we got our ground turkey browning. We're gonna go ahead and add some sriracha. Don't worry about it, my hands are clean. You guys see me wash my hands plenty of times. You know what I'm saying? Like y'all see me chop stuff plenty of times. Come on now. Do I have to chop stuff every time I'm on camera? Come on now, please, stop it. We're gonna add a little rice wine vinegar, some soy sauce, a little bit more. And I think we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of tahini to it. Just a little. I think the tahini is gonna work well. It's sesame seeds. You know, we already using sesame oil. Tahini not gonna hurt. And all these flavors work well with Thai food. So we're gonna mix that up and let it simmer for a second. And then we're gonna get to our cabbage for our spring rolls. Alright, we got a little sesame oil in our pot. You know what I'm saying? Chefs in the hood, you only know we only got one pot. You know what I'm saying? One big pot. You're gonna get this cabbage in here. Saute it up. And a little salt and pepper. gonna go ahead and get a little ginger in there and some garlic. We're gonna add some sprouts, ladies and gentlemen. Gods and herbs. Piece to the seeds. Oh, look at that. I'm messing. We also got a little carrot. Throw that in there. Mix that up. And we're gonna let that cook for a few minutes. We got our cabbage already draining, ready for our spring rolls. But meanwhile, while we're waiting for that to cool, we're gonna go ahead and make a dipping sauce. Okay? I have cashew butter. Most dipping sauces, they call for peanut butter. But I like cashew butter, so I'm adding cashew butter in mine. So let's go ahead and add that cashew butter. We just trying to kick it up. We doing what we do. Then we're gonna add a little ginger. Of course, ginger's in everything that we already making here. I got about a tablespoon, not even a tablespoon, I think it's a teaspoon of organic sugar. Some lime juice. Some soy sauce. And then we're gonna do a half tablespoon of this sweet chili sauce in here. And we're gonna whip that up. And if it gets thick, we're gonna add a little hot water to it. So don't worry about the thickness. Try to incorporate it, and then we got our hot water here. Little hot water. Keep it going. See, we got our dipping sauce whipped up. That's kind of like how we want it. We're going to get our lettuce ready for our wraps. Today we're going to use bib lettuce. Of course, it's organic. You know what I'm saying? And this lettuce is actually living. It still has its roots. You know what I'm saying? Come on, chefs in the hood, we got roots. You know what I'm saying? Roots and culture. You know, we're going to start rolling up our spring rolls. Sometimes I add a little pinch more. It just depends on the feel of the roll to me. Your hands really need to be dry. You gotta be really careful with the wrapper, because once it gets wet, they'll start breaking up, so you want to be careful. So basically, you pull that end up, lay it down, and tuck, kind of tuck, and you fold it like an envelope. Just like an envelope. And we got a non-GMO cornstarch slurry here. And we're going to use that to seal it up. Like that. That's all right. You adjust your roll and just roll it up. Patience and practice. Let's do that one more time. The tuck. Fold it like an envelope. Get our slurry. And roll. See, we already got some rolled up here already. May as well show you guys. See, we've been working. There's no sous chef here. No sous chef. You know what I'm saying? I'm here by myself, sweating. One camera, one knife. I keep trying to tell y'all. Our oil's hot. We're gonna start popping our spring rolls in the hot oil. Seam side down. See, our spring rolls are starting to brown nicely. Just flip them over. Let them continue to cook. And they're going to be ready shortly. Alright? Ready to show y'all our finished product. Let's get a piece of this bib lettuce here. Tear that off. We got 2 leaves here. So we're gonna make 2 wraps. Let me get a spoon, and we're gonna add a spoonful of our ground turkey mixture. We're gonna do a little cucumber and some carrot. You can also do other veggies, such as red cabbage. I've done it with red cabbage. You know, I've done it with zucchini and things like that. But this is the way we're doing it today. Let's do one more. Let's get that ground turkey in there. Some carrot. A little bit of cucumber. Grab one of those spring rolls. And we got our sauces here. We got our chili sauce. That sauce that we made earlier. I think I'm going to use some of that chili sauce on my first roll, lettuce wrap. And you just roll it up. It's just like a burrito, ladies and gentlemen. You know, you eat it like a burrito, but it's lettuce. You know, you ain't got a tortilla. That's A1. See that spring roll? Look at that. Delicious. Let's go with some of that peanut sauce. I'm the only one eating out of it, so how about this? That's good. Once again, Chefs in the Hood, baby. See you next time.